In this guide, I'm going to show you all of the ways that you can block a player here on chess.com using both PC and mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. From the homepage of chess.com, essentially, what you're going to want to do is just go down to your recent games and find any match that you might have recently played and just select it to open it up. Once you're on the page, it looks something like this. You can just click on that player's username, hit these little three dots, and then you have the option to block and then confirm. You can always unblock them later if you change your mind, and that is how you can block someone that you just played. However, if you want to block someone specific, either from search or from your friends list, go to this more section and go specifically to the community tab and select friends. This is going to allow you to search for someone specifically. For example, I could just search for chess, and then of course this guy right here who is clearly a sweat, I could just click these three little dots, right, and block them from here. Super simple, and it works the exact same way on mobile. You just repeat this exact same process. But that is it. Those are all the ways that you can block someone here on chess.com using PC and mobile. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.